Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a look of the SATS Key Stage 1 2019 paper. So for Key Stage 1, they have two separate maths paper. The first one is called arithmetic and the second one is called reasoning. The first paper is 25 marks and the second one is the 35 marks. So the first paper around 30 minutes, so you need to be finished off all the questions. So today I'm going to be do this paper together with a 7-year-old Jaden.
Hi everyone, today I am going to show the SATS paper what I did last year in year 2.
That is exactly correct. Last year he was year 2. Now Jaden is year 3. So he is going to show us how he did this same 2019 paper last year in his actual exam. Let's have a look. Hi again. So now what we are going to do today, we are going to have a small interactive session with Jaden, who is 7 years old, who is willing to help us to explain the questions. So before I explain the question in my way, I'm going to ask Jaden to do the question, and after that if I want to add something I will add, or otherwise if the method and the way Jaden is doing is correct, then I'm going to be move on to the next question. So question by question we are going to be talk each other. The video may take a little bit minutes time more, so bear with us and let's talk about the practice question.
So as you can see, it is 2 add 5. To make it easier, you shall start with the biggest number, which is 5. Make 2 jumps as you're adding 2, and that will probably give you the answer 7.
Wow, that is the perfect way to do the question. Always when it comes to addition, you always go to the bigger number, which is 5. That is your starting point. From the starting point, you add 2 jumps to the right. So if it is addition, right hand side jump. If it is a subtraction, left hand side jump. That's all about it. So the answer is
7.
Wow, very good. So we are going to the actual question now. So question number 1, I let Jaden to explain. Then after that, if I want to add something, I will add.
9 minus 3. This is like the same, but it's minus this time. So you start from 9, then you take away 3, which would leave you the answer 6.
Very good. So that's all I wanted to say. Question number 2.
5 add 5 is 10, and 10 add 10 is 20.
Very good. So Jaden is adding the 5 plus 5, which is 10. Then 10 plus 10 is 20. So you don't need the number line, so you can easily do that one. 20 is the final answer. Question number 3.
18 minus 6. So you go on 18, and then you take away 6, just like 9 minus 3 in the second question.
Right, that is exactly correct. So all what we want to remember is start with the bigger number, which is the 18, and take away 6. So that means 6 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I need to jump one more jump. That will end up with the answer 12. That is the perfect answer. Question number 4. 10 times 10.
So to make it easier, you shall do an array, but this may take a long time. So count tens like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and do it 10 times, and that will probably give you the answer 100.
Very good. So 10 timetable, you can remember that one. So 10 times 10 is 100. Question number 5. 80 take away 10. Can you explain to your method?
You may do column subtraction in your head. So 0 minus 0 equals 0, and 8 minus 1 equals 7.
Perfect. That's the way to do. So column subtraction. So you write the numbers ones with ones and tens with tens. So 0 take away 0, as Jaden said, is 0. 8 take away 1 is 7. So the answer is 70. Question number 6 is 32 plus 5.
This will leave you the answer 37, but you can see on the number line they don't show the numbers 30 or more, so you shouldn't use the number line that much. But there's a blank number line which you might use. That's probably why they gave it out.
Wow, very good. So the number lines I have printed for our benefit, for explanatory purpose. In the actual SATS exam paper, you won't be getting a number line. So if you want to draw a number line by yourself, you can do. So now 32, you can start with the 32 and 5 jump to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So the answer is 37, or Jaden can do the column method. 5 plus 2 is 7, 3, 37. You can do either way. Question number 7.
5 times 6. This is like the same as 10 times 10. So what you've got to do, 5 is probably easier than 6 times tables. So count in 5s, but this time you have to do it 6 times because you're timing by 6. And the answer is 30.
30. So basically what Jaden trying to say is it's same as the 10 times 10 means it's a timetable question. So 5 times 6 means you take 6 fingers in your hand and count by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So all the 6 fingers are folded now. Your answer is 30. That is how to do that. The question number 8 is 98 plus 4.
It's like you partitioned before. To round it up to the nearest tens, you shall partition it into half. Then the 2 add 98 will leave us 100. Add the 2, which is 102.
Wow, that's a clever way to do. So what Jaden did is he partitioned the 4 with 2 plus 2. So 98 with 2, Jaden said, is 100, and 100 with another 2, answer is 102. So if you want to go back to the number line, the traditional way of addition, 98 is the biggest number. So you start with 98 and 4 jumps to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 99, 100, 101, 102. So the answer is 102 either way. So whichever the method, like a Jaden's method, partition, make it as 100 plus 2, 102, or the number line traditional way. Question number 9.
22 add 22. This is like you're doubling. So you shall do column addition for this. 2 add 2 is 4, and this is the same for the tens, which is 2 add 2 add 4 again, and you shall have 44 as your correct answer.
Perfect. Right, so the column addition will work here. So 22, 22, write the numbers aligned with ones and tens. You add neatly. 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. That is perfect, Jaden. Well done. Question number 10. A box plus 8 equal 12.
This may be hard. In fact, you have to do the inverse operation.
Wow.
12 minus 8. You shall get 4 as your correct answer.
So 12, take away 8 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 4. You can check the answer whether it's correct or not. You can add 4 plus 8 is 12. Isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Right. So what Jaden said is called inverse operation. So you start from 12 and you work the way back way. So when you coming from a back way, the plus 8, you need to opposite operation, negative 8, subtract 8. 12 take away 8 is 4. So in the number line, we showed how to subtract. Well done, Jaden. Question number 11. 68 add 20.
This is based on your tens. Since 20 has no units or ones, whatever you like to call it, you shall add nothing, which will leave us 8 for the ones and 6 add 2 is 8. So the answer is 88.
Perfect. That is the way to do. So column addition you can put, and ones with 1 and tens with tens. The next one, 84 add 7.
Again, you may partition the 7 into 2 parts, 6 and 1. Add the 6 to the 84, which will make us 90. 90 add 1, which is simple. The answer is 91.
Perfect. So Jaden is looking for 6 to make that 84 as a round number, as a 90. Then he left with only 1, and that is 91. Well done. Question number 13. Right now 14 divide by 2. So I must say, Jaden, like that when you are answering this question, I know you are in year 3 now. What I really want to help the year 2s out there, I want you to pretend you are year 2 and explain the year 2 method, not as the year 3 method, right? So do some simple explanation and methods to work out this one. 14 divide by 2.
This may be tricky for the year 2s. So start for adding 2 circles, because you're dividing by 2, and count to 14 while putting each dot or lines or whatever you want into each circle equally.
Wow. So you are putting lines equally. So 14 lines you share between 2 circles. So dividing by 2 means you draw 2 circles. That means if I am dividing by any number by 3, is it going to be a 3 circles?
No.
If you are dividing, yes, if you are dividing by 3 circle, it is going to be a 3 circles method. So 2 dividing by 2 means 2 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So each circle got 7 lines. So the answer is 7. Right? 64 take away 11.
So 64 take away 11. You can do column methods in your head, because 11 has 1 unit and 1 10. But anyways, 4 minus 1 equals 3, and 6 minus 1 equals 5.
It's 53. Well done. Right? So column subtraction, units with units and tens with tens. Question number 15. 39 take away 20.
So, like I said, 20 has no units. So you may ignore the units, and 9 is already your answer for the units. And 3 minus 2 for the tens column is 1.
Very good. So again, you can use the column subtraction method to get the answer 19. Very good. 54 take away 8.
Again, you may round it up to the nearest number or use the number line. So I'll use the number line method. You can jump 8 times and then count all the way to your 8 jumps.
Wow, very good. So starting from 54 and you are going 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps to the left hand side. Why left hand side?
Because you're subtracting.
All right. Okay. So you are subtracting left hand side. When you are adding, it's going to be a right hand side. Very good. So 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46. The answer is going to be 46. Well done. Question number 17.
40 divided by 10. Now you have to do 10 circles. But to make it easier, you shall add some tens instead of lines, because this might take a long time instead of putting 40 dots. So 10 circles.
Very good. So what Jaden is trying to do is he's trying to divide 40 into 10 parts. So if you tell the 10th timetable, 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 4 is 40. So how many tens are in 40 is going to be
4.
That's the answer, right? So 40 has 10 tens. So if you group 10, then another 10, then another 10, then another 10. So how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the answer. Next question, 23 plus 37.
So you do column method, but this time you don't do it in your head. You write it out on the grid. 3 add 7 is 10, but you don't fit the whole 10, you just put a 0. Why? Because you add the 1 on top.
Wow.
1 add 2 add 3 equals 6.
Wow. So when you are adding the units, you get 2-digit number. So for an example, 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. The unit has to be go to the units. The tens has to be carried to the next tens column. Then as Jaden said, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. 60 is the correct answer. Question number 19. A box equal to 19 take away 5.
So it's like subtraction. 19, you start from 19, then you jump 5 to the left hand side since you're subtracting.
Very good. So it's a straightforward number line question. So you can start with 19 and jump 5 jumps to your left, and the answer is 14. Question number 20. We never seen this question before. It's called fraction quarter of 8. How to do this one?
Half of 8, which is 4. You half it again. So half of 4 is 2. The answer is 2.
The answer is 2. So what I normally do is always the bottom number divide and the top number multiplies. That is the rule we do. So bottom number divide, top number multiply. So 8 divided by 4 is
2 times 1 equals 2.
Well done. That's what I'm trying to explain. You did it. The next question, 21, half of 90.
So this is like in a football match.
Football match?
Football match has 90 minutes, if you didn't know.
Oh, right.
And did you know that they may have half time, which is 45 minutes? But another way is like how you divide, like what Stephen said earlier on the other question.
Wow. What Jaden is trying to explain is Jaden is a crazy football fan, so he knows the 90 minutes is the full time, am I right?
Yes, that's
and
true.
And the half time is 45 minutes?
Yes.
So half of 90 is 45, right? Let me look at my method. So the 90 has tens, 9 tens, right? So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that is the 90. I am going to be grouped into 2 circles because I am dividing by 2. So I'm going to put 110 here. I cross 110. I put another 10 here. I cross it 10. The third one goes here. Fourth one here. And fifth one here. And sixth one here. And the seventh one here. And eighth one here. So what I'm trying here, I'm equally sharing the tens in the 2 bags. And now I left with only 1 10. I can't put it in 1 bag, then otherwise the other bag will be a bit sad. I'm going to split this 10 into 5 and 5. Then they are happy. I can share them 5 and 5. So if I add 10, 10, 10, 10, 45. 45. So if I share the 90 into 2 halves, is 45. How is that? Right. Question number 22. 100 take away something is 52. How can you do this?
This is is like your number ones. So 8 will take us to the nearest 10, and that would leave us with 60. Add the 4.
Wow. What Jaden did is actually, so he round up the 50 to 60 by adding the 8. So when he reached to 60, he add 40 more to make the 100. So 100 take away 48 equal 52. So what I kindly explain, how I wanted to explain this question, let's say 5 take away something equal 2. Everybody knows 5 take away 3 is 2. But do this way. 5 take away 2
is 3.
is 3. So do the same thing for this one. So 100 take away something, we don't have any idea what is in the box. Now the method is 100 take away 50, it should be this. Then partition the 52 into 50 and 2. 100 take away 50 is 50. 50 take away 2 is
48.
That is the answer for the question number 22. Let's move on. Question number 23. 2 upon 4 of 36. How can you do this question?
This is like an equivalent fraction, but we don't need to know about that yet. 36 divided by 4 equals 9 times the 2 equals 18.
Perfect. That is the way to do that. So bottom number divide the top number and times by the top number. So bottom number divides, top number multiply. So 36 divide by 4, which gives 9. Then the answer 9 times 2, which is the top number, is the 18. Right? So the next question, question number 24, 62 take away 54. How can we do this, Jay?
You do column subtraction.
Yep.
2 minus 4 you can't do. So what do? You cross out the 6 and turn it into a 5 and give the 10 to the 2, which now makes the 12. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 5 minus 5 equals nothing, so you can just leave it as 8. You don't need to put the 0.
Very good. That is the question number 24. And the next, wow, that is the last question. 73 take away 19.
This is the same again. Do the column subtraction. So 3 minus 9 you can't do. Cross out the 7, turn it into 6, and you'll get 13 minus 9, which will equal 14. No, 4 I meant. Then 6 minus 1 equals 5, which is 54.
Right, column subtraction straight away. That is the answer for the question number 25. So you need to practice this entire exam to do within the time frame. Some schools, they will give 1 or 2 minutes extra, but realistically, so within the 30 minutes time frame, you need to be complete this exam paper. So that is our end of our video session. I hope you like our video. If you do like our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will definitely do the reasoning paper of this 2019 by tomorrow and upload it before this end of this week. And Jaden, do you want to say anything?
Yes. So we started with 4 subscribers and now we have 2,380 subs. Thank you for all of your support who subscribed to us.